This handle was the first accessory I ever bought when I got my GoPro. So you can imagine how excited I was when Sametop got in touch and offered to send me this handle to do a review on. That's what's coming up on this episode. Hey everyone, my name's Tom Phillips and welcome to my channel. So here on this channel I do a lot of scuba diving videos, I do GoPro tips, product reviews and vlogs, other kind of videos like that. So if that's something that interests you, feel free to subscribe down below. That'll just let you know when I release new videos that you might be interested in. But for today, I've been really excited about this. I'm getting my hands on the Sametop Floaty handle grip. And I gotta say, it looks really good in the box, but I'm gonna lower the camera and we'll take a closer look at what is inside. Okay, so let's have a closer look at this Sametop handle grip. Now, as you can see on the box, it looks really nice, looks really professionally done, but there's something really interesting about this particular model, and that's what I'm so excited about. So let's just turn it over and you can see what I'm on about. Now, this particular model has a removable bottom, this base right here. And as you can see, you can actually put things inside of it. Now, as this comes, it's already got the tether and the screw on the inside there. So let's actually take this out of the box. You can hear it rattling around inside. So let's actually take this out and have an actual look at these. So it's just a simple plastic top. And take it out. And there we go, just put the box to one side. So first thought, so that handle grip, like the rubber on there is really nice. It's got a really nice finish. And one thing I did like about this particular model is like it's got the new nut here on the side. That matches some of the new GoPro accessories. So you can tell it's a really like modern, up-to-date one. It's really chunky as well. It's got a really nice feel to the actual handle. It feels really good plastic. Definitely feels quality. And yeah, let's actually open it up and see what's inside. So as you can see there, it's got the screw top on the side there and two rubber O-rings. Now that's really going to help stop water going in, I imagine, but we're going to test that out later on. So let's just put that to one side and actually pull out. Here's the tether. Nice, and it's got the Sametop logo on it. If you can see that right there. It's the Sametop all the way across. That's really nice. And it's just got the standard ordinary screw that's really a familiar item with the GoPro. So let's actually put that back on now. Screw that up. And you couldn't, wow. There we go, that's really tight. Hopefully you can see that, it's really tight on there. So I can't imagine any water's getting in there, especially with that O-ring underneath. Just got to make sure it's really tight first of all. So that's great. So in terms of just the screw, obviously I've got my GoPro right here. We'll just slide that in. Slides in really nice. Fits perfectly well, which is great. Let's just tighten that up. And there we go. That's good to go as is. You could pretty much just take that out right now. But if you wanted to, it looks as though you can add this handle with this tether. I'm just going to open it up, probably put it about halfway. That'll probably work. And now to attach this, I would put it halfway through like that and then feed the rest of the tether through it like so. Just want to get that little finish bit right through, and there you go. That isn't going to go anywhere. I'm not sure what they call that sort of nut, but that's one I've used before for things like this and it works really well. So obviously the great thing about this tether as well is that I can put my hand through there and I can actually fasten that up like that, like so, or in that other bit, whichever you prefer. So there you go, that's the Sametop Floaty handle grip. Okay, so we've seen what's inside the box. And I have to say, Sametop, this is an amazing product. Really nice, really good feel on the hand. Really liking it so far. I definitely recommend it, but there's only one thing, is that I need to test how it floats. And I don't have a pool around here, but I do have another idea. So let's go. Okay everyone, so I'm here in Florida testing out the Sametop handle. Got this lovely pool here, so let's go try it out. And one thing I wanted to try actually is how watertight this thing is. So I've put some tissue inside and I'm going to go down and see if it actually leaks. And it's all, I've noticed you have to tighten it really tight so there's no seam. And I don't think any water's getting in there. It seems absolutely solid. So let's go try it out. Okay, so I'm just going to swim around the pool. Now let's try it out. I'm just going to open this up, try it off actually. Just so that no water gets in from like me or anything like that. So, of course, they would be mowing right now. Like I said, I've got a tissue inside, so we should see if that's wet. Then we know, but I don't think it's going to be. Nope. That is bone dry. No water in there. That's good. Okay everyone, so we know that the Sametop handle floats really well. I've noticed as it comes up, it sort of tends to rise up obviously with the handle first, which is really good. Means that you'll be able to see that yellow marker in the water if you ever did lose it. I don't think you will, because this tether seems really good. And the one last thing I wanted to try out is that on the box it says that it can handle a bit of like loose change, maybe like keys, something like that. So I've got some change right here. I don't know how much it is. I've got it's all American, so I don't really know. But anyway, it's a handful of change, so I want to just open it up and put some change in it and then see how well it actually floats with the change inside. So here it goes. So it's going to add a bit of weight to it, but it's just a test. I'm not really sure if you would put anything in it if you were counting on how buoyant it was. Obviously you're going to hear it rattling around. I guess you could put the tissue back in to sort of stop that. But anyway, let's go try it out and see how well it floats with that change inside. Let's go. Okay, so this is with the change rattling around inside. Let's see how it floats. Oh, I don't think it is. Okay, so that first test actually didn't work. I'm not surprised because it's pretty heavy. So let's just try out a few less coins. I thought I put a bit too many in, but let's go. Let's just do half of that. And we'll take a few of them big ones out. And let's try it again. Okay, this is take 2 with less change. So let's try it out. And yes, it still floats. So there you go, that's with the change in. As you can see, it's probably floating a little lower in the water, but that yellow is still above the line. So I think you'd clearly be able to see that. Okay, so that was a success. So you can put money in this, not a great deal. If you're talking change, I guess you could put paper money in it, and at least you know that'd be fine. It's not going to leak water, so that won't have any effect on it. But you can put a bit of change in there, as you can do it rattling around, and it will still float. So thanks Sametop, great mount. I'm going to go use it some more. Bye-bye. Okay everyone, so that's my review of the Sametop Floaty handle. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe for future videos. And I'd just like to add, thank you very much for Sametop for sending me this product. I really enjoy it. I used it a lot in Florida. It was my go-to accessory whilst I was over there. So thank you very much, Sametop. And that's it from me. I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon. But stay tuned for a couple of little bloopers coming up next. Hey everyone, my name's Tom Phillips, and here on my channel I do GoPro tips, seeing what's inside the box, but no, that again, really enjoying this. And the mower comes back. Excellent. I'm just going to dry it off, and then we'll see if. You have to talk.